Are you looking for the best 3D printer for beginners? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printer for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Creality K2 Plus 3D Printer. It has a high-flow nozzle that can heat up to 350 degrees, and a heated, which means it can handle nearly any filament from PLA to PC. TPU must be run through a side port on a traditional spool holder, but no one has managed to make soft filaments run through all the tubing needed for a color-swapping 3D printer. Some would say Creality is merely cribbing off Bamboo Lab and their wildly successful X1 Carbon. But Creality has brought many improvements to color printing that we've yet to see from upstart Bamboo. A bigger print volume, a heated chamber, and the ability to easily print offline with full open source clipper. Creality remembers its roots as a scrappy DIY 3D printer for enthusiasts, and remains faithful to the open source community. The machine retails for $1,499 as a 4-color combo, which may not fit everyone's budget. But the K2 Plus is easy to use right out of the box, so it's not limited to only experienced makers or small business owners. Its flexibility, paired with quiet fans and carbon filtration system, makes it a worthwhile purchase for home or office. My only fault with the printer is one that's hard to avoid. The CFS wastes a bit more filament than the Bamboo AMS due to its high-flow hot end with a larger melt zone and lack of fine control in the custom slicer. It also needs to be properly warmed up, as it uses a thick aluminum plate to ensure a flat print surface. Number 2. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max 3D Printer. With its amazing speed and a huge build volume that rivals most FDM 3D printers, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max will produce high-quality prints in just a fraction of the time other machines use. You can print entire armies of gaming miniatures or full-sized sculptures with excellent detail using ordinary resin is used. If you want to crank up the speed, switching to a thinner high-speed resin will let the machine run twice as fast. The Photon Mono M7 Max is packed with smart features to monitor resin levels and watch out for print fails. It comes with a resin pump to keep the vat full of resin, though on our test unit this feature did not work. It also has a heater pump built into the vat which slowly circulates warm resin throughout the build plate to improve speed and quality. The factory-leveled build plate lets you go from unboxing to printing in 15 minutes. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max launched with a $899 MSRP, but is currently available for $849 at Amazon and $799 at the Anycubic store. Number 3. AOSEED X-Maker 3D Printer. Comes fully assembled for immediate use. Intuitive software and user-friendly interface make it the perfect beginner 3D printer, ideal for kids' creativity. The 3D printers for home features intelligent optimization and Wi-Fi capability for easy use. Supports SD/USB for versatile connectivity, perfect for a kid's 3D printer or beginner 3D printer. Designed as an enclosed 3D printer, it ensures safety by isolating fumes while delivering consistent, high-quality prints without the need for manual bed leveling. It also features a 3.5-inch color touchscreen, a power-off resume printing function, and a flexible magnetic build plate for easy removal. Includes Lego-style apps and gamified design programs for easy model creation. Ideal for sparking creativity in beginners with this 3D printer for kids. Delivers precision up to 0.1/0.05 mm and a rate of 160 mm per second for detailed prints. Uses PLA filament, offering high-quality results in a small 3D printer for home use. The printer supports only one color at a time. Operates below 50 dB, making it a quiet 3D printer perfect for shared spaces. Ensures a peaceful environment during long printing sessions, ideal for home or classroom use. Number 4. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. Achieve next-level speed and efficiency with a Core XY structure, 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. Perfect for rapid prototyping, fast iterations, and high-volume production. The AD5M, Adventurer 5M, is equipped with a pressure sensor for automatic bed calibration, ensuring optimal nozzle height across the platform and delivering consistent first-layer adhesion and reliable print success. Equipped with a high temp, up to 280 degrees Celsius, direct drive extruder, 3-second quick swap nozzles, and dual channel fans for clean details. Supports multiple nozzle sizes, 0.2 50.8 mm, for balancing speed and precision without compromising quality. Monitor prints remotely via the Flash Maker app with real-time updates and parameter adjustments. Enjoy smooth workflows with power loss recovery, filament runout detection, and object skipping for multi-part jobs. Fully open source for firmware and hardware upgrades. Optional enclosure ensures stable temperature control for high-performance materials, perfect for makers, engineers, educators, and print farms. Number 5. GIANTARM 3D Printer. GITEC 3D Printers has large capacity nozzle, a 50W hot end heating rod, and efficient heat dissipation, improve printing stability and reliability further. Insert TF card, plug and play, with a printing speed of up to 250 mm/. Save printing time. Our printer turns complexity into creativity, fueling simplicity, greatly reducing the threshold for beginners. M1 Mini 3D printer uses a dual-drive metal gear with a gear ratio of up to 1:5, greater torque, greater extrusion force, higher printing accuracy, and can easily print 0.5 kg TPU/PLA consumables. Print area 3.94 by 4.33 by 3.94 in. Note: no worries if you need use 1 kg filaments. Filament holder profile, we have provided it on the details page. This small 3D printer has a 16-point full auto leveling technology which makes printing more simple and more precise. Ensure a smooth printing process every time. With flexible and removable magnetic build plate, reduce model warpage issues, you can remove the models easily and easy cleaning of the platform. Out of the box, fully assembled 3D printers is super easy to operate and does not require a complex setup, knob operation, one button in/out filament. Even those with no prior experience can quickly master it. Experience the convenience and reliability of this 3D printer. With 2.4 LCD color screen, high brightness lighting, and PEI print plate, a good idea as a surprise gift on a birthday or holiday, for school teaching, or a shop crafts and toys DIY, etc.